All right, good people. It's a nice dreary morning, and we are about to assemble some furniture because we got to keep our noise down because school is in session. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this desk together. We just got word our package is coming tomorrow, so we're gonna hold off on applying any more of this panel treatment. And also, I gotta do some wood filling around here, so we're gonna get that done today, and then we roll up out of here and come back tomorrow. Let's get it done. Well, all right, good people. Here's an update. The stuff came in. We are placing boards around the room now. We kind of had a snafu with the strata. So what I did, I ordered more, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill that in because that does not look good at all. I try to get creative with the placement. I should have just went straight up and kept it bunched together. It would have looked a lot better. So all I'm gonna do is fill in all the wood in the middle, and it'll kind of be like it fans out on each side, but all this will be full. But it's kind of a cool product. I like it, and we went ahead and got that desk up, got a monitor up, started placing the monitors. Put this rack together. We've been moving and grooving and shaking. So, oh yeah, we got our cables labeled. Got all that done. So we're gonna put some ends on that. It all reaches over to the rack here. So I think this is a good stopping point for this video. Go ahead, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give this thing a thumbs up if you like this new format where I'm just giving you a brief overview and snapshot and progress on this project. Until then, guys, it's about that remote life, and we out here. Peace. Oh, yeah. Let's check out the booth because we got the glass up on the other side. So we got panels coming up. It's already tightening up in this room, and got the glass up. I'm gonna put some panels up around the room. I actually had to order a curtain to come down because I'm not taking that window. I'm gonna lay that window in, and I'm still waiting on this stuff to disappear. But this is gonna be the complete booth. It's gonna be pretty cool in here. Cat rack. That's gonna go over here, down here on the wall like so, or probably right here. So get that out of everybody's way so they ain't bothering with it. But yeah, back in the lab, you see we've updated some things. Got this rack built out. Still waiting on the rest of our strata to come in. But we already started standing stuff up. We're gonna go with the aura tones. We're gonna set those up later. Start unboxing all the Focusrite gear. Check this little rack out. We gonna be solid. But today we're gonna finish laying out this booth because we got all the stuff cleared out. Look at that. Nah, but cool thing is I was able to go ahead and get this mounted. This little box. So we got the 3 cat lines, 2 Dante, and then 1 spare. So that'll be good. But as you can see, our layout and how the room is, and we got our mats up. So these will work. Real thick and cool. So let me get these set up, and then we'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, check this out. We went ahead and peeled off our stuff. We got a couple extra panels. I want to fly them, but I just looked up in the ceiling, and the truss where I could tie in that, so that's not gonna work. So probably what I may end up doing is drilling into the concrete center block and just putting a panel here and here of those 2 I got left. And then we're gonna test it out, see how good this room does. I got the door seal, so we can kind of close this off tight, this room tight, and let's see how this sounds and how this works. One thing though, I'm hearing this vent, so I'm probably, if you guys have any idea, like a diverter. Remember, this is a school, so I can't go in and change their HVAC because they actually have a a return and a supply line in this room. So probably what we probably end up doing is run the mic to like right here and center it so it's not getting so much room noise from the air. But that's one thing that we didn't really think about. But I'm rambling now, so let me get back to work. I just want to give you guys an update, let you see how these panels came out. It sounds pretty tight in here. It's not dead. It still has a little action in the room, which is what I want. I don't want a dead space because this isn't a studio. But you guys can hear it based on how the room sounds just on this recording. So it sounds pretty good. And it's coming out good. You can see we finally got our Strata in. So we'll be installing that after we get done in here. The box is right there. So fill that in and it's going to look hot. But this is the booth. She's coming along. Let's do it.
Many Tic Tacs later.
What's going on, good people? So we are back in the lab. I got my Strata in, started installing up the wall. Had to go pick up some more of this stuff. This power grab. In the meantime, while I ran out of that, I went and grabbed a couple of rugs. So we're going to put that in the booth and started setting up the pods. So we're going to have like analog mix here. And then this is the digital podcasting setup. So that they can practice podcasting or just learning on a digital mixer. Got a couple of SM58s. Got the stand set up. And then we're going to do the quick release so we can swap out mics. And then we're going to finish this wall up. But let's get this booth straight. If you want to look at the booth. So we're going to add these. I just finished vacuuming. So we're going to add these rugs and see how that changes the space. And then we're going to put like a little lamp in there, give it a little slight studio vibe, but the room sounds good. Good morning.
How you doing?
So listen to this. So we did a seal around the door. Only thing is that AC vent is loud, but we have to kind of make do. Probably what we do is kind of record over here or something like that. I try out different mic placements, but let's see what the rugs do. But we got our pops up on the wall. It sounds good in here. This is a good room for a school. So, and they're just learning. So it's not like we're trying to record a Grammy. But, if they have the talent, they can try it. All right. So just laid one of the rugs out. It had like the little grids in it because it was all squared up and folded up in the box. So I tried to vacuum it. And I noticed these little grips on the bottom aren't really sticking to the carpet. So I'm going to put some double-sided tape down. Because whenever I vacuum, it kind of pulls it away. But what this does is it adds a little more padding to the floor. Because this, like I said, this is a school, so all they did was they just put some glue down and laid this carpet down and then stripped it down. So there's nothing on here but concrete. So I think this will add a little more softness to the room. So you can hear when I step over here in the corner, the difference it makes just by adding a rug to this space versus over here where it's a lot more hard space on the floor. So let me fix that. I got some double-sided tape. All right, here's that double-sided tape difference. Guess not enough. It'll work though for now. She ain't moving. So that'll work. All right, let's put some more down. All right, guys. So we got the rug down. We got our rugs down in there. It's looking really good. I'm taking the trash out, but I don't know if you guys can see. They got me locked out, and it's kind of after hours. But yeah, we all rugged up. I just did some basic wires right now, just to make sure everything is working, everything is talking. We started firing stuff up. So we got that SSL, y'all. Woo! It's official. She in there. She sleep though. I ain't really. Wake up. There she go. But yeah, getting them right. So I'm gonna close this off. Next video, we're just gonna do what we finished doing. Oh yeah, we got the wall done. I don't know if I said that already. Looking good, looking sweet. Next video, we're gonna have the little polisher. Gonna be making some more cables. We got some stuff going on like the Mac Studio. You know, we got our labels going. Wouldn't be no other way. That Lux integration, AV Smarts. Yes, sir. But yeah, and then luckily I got an extra piece of Strata, so they could talk about it, how sound installation works or whatever. They got some demo stuff. Added in a couple little cheap mics, little cheap condenser mics I had laying around. They can have it. But yeah, we got it coming together. I just gotta clean this trash out, make it look a little more polished, fix these cables, create some more cables, get everything talking and working together. So till next time, guys, it's about that remote life. So we are out of here. Peace.